It's increasingly important today for federal agencies to have awareness of the status of their facilities and understand what could impact operations. For example, this U.S. Postal Service facility is currently operating normally. These airport facilities are running at normal operating status, but they could be at risk soon due to severe weather in the area, like storms and lightning strikes. Down to the south, this Social Security Administration office is temporarily closed due to the pandemic. And many federal offices are supporting their missions today with staff that are increasingly working from home. And what makes working from home possible in times like a pandemic is connectivity. Real-time information on connectivity is increasingly available from different data providers. This includes things like voltage measurements from the electric grid, telecom network throughput information, and reported outages. This kind of information doesn't illuminate the external forces that could be contributing to these issues. For example, are these issues related to the weather systems that are moving around the area? Could traffic accidents or road work have caused damage? The question is how these diverse data streams can be consumed and leveraged together to understand the potential impacts. ArcGIS includes scalable, real-time, and big data analytics to help answer these kinds of questions. You can build automated services to ingest, transform, and analyze data, taking action along the way. Using ArcGIS Velocity, you can get started by creating a feed to consume real-time data. A feed enables you to connect ArcGIS directly to IoT systems, like cloud platforms and messaging brokers. You connect to the data stream, configure a data model, and publish a continuous cloud-hosted service that ingests data and lights up your maps with streaming information. But what's really exciting about this is that you can use real-time analytics to synthesize these different data streams, weather, traffic, threats, and use them with the data coming in on connectivity and outages. These scalable analytics enable you to detect incidents in real time or over time, even on large volumes of data. You can put together real-time and big data analytics in minutes without writing a single line of code. This analytic is automating a process to evaluate these external factors against the reported outages and connectivity issues based on proximity. Then, depending on the most likely culprit in each case, it's automating different kinds of output action, like identifying the closest field crew member that could be deployed to investigate. These analytics can run continuously on each message as it arrives, or run on a scheduled basis. This one's running every 5 minutes. Let's take a look at some of the results. The analytic has identified a couple outages that could be affecting federal facilities. In each of these cases, it's mining these different data streams for nearby events to determine which is the most likely to have an impact. So for example, in this area, there's a lightning strike about a mile away and some traffic incidents along the highway, but it's the traffic accident on a nearby local road that's most likely to have contributed to the issue. It's possible that a vehicle hit a telephone pole, caused the disruption of service to this part of the network, and this would then impact the USPS operations. Now down by the Social Security office, there's a road closed for road work. So it's possible that a construction crew damaged a fiber line or a network device. And up here to the north, there's a lightning strike in the immediate vicinity of the outage. Now, depending on the most likely root cause in each of these cases, the analytic also automated different output actions. In some cases, like with flooding, the right output action might be to send an alert to all facility staff. In other cases, the analytic identified the closest staff member out in the field and sent a notification specifically to them. And this is showing where that staff member was at the time that they were alerted. As the nation integrates and connects more and more data sources, agencies can be even better prepared to identify threats around their facilities and personnel. The challenge is not just understanding where issues arise, but to rapidly fuse multiple sources of intelligence in real time to identify probable culprits. With scalable real-time and big data analytics, ArcGIS enables you to apply the power of location to understand what's happening around your assets and prioritize where to take action. Thank you.